up, peeps? It's Oliver from Oliver and Ben Gaming.
It's Ben from Oliver and Ben Gaming.
And today we are doing a challenge. We're gonna see who can make the most slimes in 1 minute. I'm joking.
That is
All I do is win.
weird.
Alright guys, so the thing we're gonna do is
Please tell me it's a good one. Please tell me it's a good one.
we're gonna have to make a slime in 2 minutes or less.
So one slime.
2 minutes or less.
Start.
Wait.
Wait.
The slimes we'll be making a jiggly slime,
We have
fluffy
to make
slime,
all those.
right?
We have to make those. Jiggly slime and fluffy slime in 2 minutes.
We both have to make them in separate.
Start now.
Wait. Yeah, start. Go, 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 go. Glue, glue, glue. Better than no slime. Slime challenge. You're counting, right?
Yes, or I started from the 1 minute 02. So when it's 3 minute 02, that means it's time.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Oh my gosh. Like I was saying, all I do is win, 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 no matter what.
Where's the borax? Why did you leave it closed? Now it's hard for me to open it. I have weird hands.
Come on, Nemo shaving gel. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. I need some lotion. Stat!
Why?
I don't want it to be soft. All I do is
Snuggles is
win.
out front.
Oh yeah, that's Jerry.
Listen. Oh, dude, we're wasting time.
You made me. Should we pause just to go check? Wait,
No.
isn't Daddy out front?
No.
I thought he was out front cleaning. Oh, Joshua and Jacob are though.
No, they're in the video room.
They're playing ball.
No, they're not. They're in the video room watching the Land Before Time.
Oh.
I don't think we're gonna make the next slime.
How much long? No, we have to wait. No, you can wait. We're not gonna make them all in the same at the same exact time. We're gonna have another 2 minutes timer. We're gonna start over the 2 minute timer to make it.
And
Time's up.
nope, time's now up.
Drop it. Stop it. Roll it.
I think I did pretty good.
I did pretty good as well, guys.
Boys, shut the back gate. Snuggles is out.
Oh, dude.
Out
Yeah,
back.
yeah, out front.
I told you, Oliver.
Guys, I caught her with my amazing voice, and she came to me because, of course, she loves me, and I grabbed her and we took her inside.
You grabbed my dog?
I grabbed her under her
You were a
stomach,
disgrace to the dog
and I picked
world.
her up and I held her nicely.
Yeah, huh? You hold her like a baby. That's my job.
Shut it, boy. Shut it, boy, down. Shut it, boy.
Just gonna improve it. You saw what it looked like.
And Ben's improving. I'm not. I'm just getting the rest out of my bone. So, guys, I did really good on the
That was the
fluffy.
waste of clean water.
What clean water?
I rinsed out our thingy-majiggy.
What thingy-majiggy?
Our bowls, noob.
All I do is win, no matter what. You already added a ton more glue. Don't add too much. That's too much! That's too much! I know I made, it looked like I actually made a bunch of slime. This is really cool. Let's see some crackles. Get ready,
Dang, it's
Ben.
already been 4 minutes.
Alright, get ready, because it's going to be soon that we start the next one. Alright, ready?
Wait, what is this?
Jiggly.
They want to make it jiggly slime. You know why?
Hmm.
Look at our bowls.
Who cares? 3. No. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
2 minutes.
Go. That's borax.
I know. I need borax. Don't I?
Yeah.
You will never know. What?
Whoa. What's up, kids? Oh! Jesus.
It would be a pain to make a jiggly slime with no hands, with no thumbs.
That'd be a pain in the butt, dude.
Let's go.
Your slime is already activated.
Yes.
This is actually kind of easy.
Yeah, I'm done.
Already?
Yep.
Because it's almost been a minute.
I gotta get a little bit more borax. Inject.
Slime, activate. Okay. It's just a bit gluey. So let's add a bit more borax. Oh, that's nice and warm. Just what you need to cool down a hot slime.
How does warmness cool down hot stuff?
Well, whatever. I don't even know what I said.
Cause all I do is win. I've added too much borax.
Yep, it's time's up.
No?
Stop it, drop it, roll it.
No,
Yep.
we started at 5-minute timer. It's only been a minute and 30 seconds.
I think I need more glue.
And I am done. Thank you guys for watching this
No.
video. We will be back.
We have much more time. We can make one more slime.
Oh, shoot.
All I do is win, no matter what. Alright, guys. Get ready, Bubba, because the next time we're going to make is basic. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One minute.
Go.
1 minute.
I'm going to make it backwards. No. Give me this. Come on. Good boy. Give daddy some paint. Get out of my slime! I have no idea. Oh wow, I already have it. Slime and I didn't
You knocked your precious glue over him.
Oh!
Jump.
3, 2, 1, jump!
It's not, it didn't even say jump.
I know. You just said jump, and I'm like, 3, 2, 1, jump! And I started jumping. I need more glue!
I need more glue.
Come on. Just gonna eyeball some. Dude, it's already slime in there.
Come on, hurry! We only have 5 seconds. 5.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
We started at 7.
Yes, but we only have 1 minute.
No,
Go.
we have 2.
Well, that was a bit too much, so it's a good thing we still have a minute left.
All I do is win, no matter what.
Oh, Ava, look at how much your glue have left.
I'm running out of white glue, guys.
Don't worry, we still have tons of clear glue.
We only have 3 bottles. One's a medium size, one's 2 baby sizes. I need more paint. I like paint because it doesn't sting your hands.
I've gotten stained by paint tons of times, a little noob.
Yeah, but it doesn't stay there like food coloring. This is like the worst basic slime ever, dude.
I know.
When you have a timer. Oh, our time was up a while ago. No, it's 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop it, drop it, roll it.
Okay, stop, drop, roll.
Alright, guys.
Take a look at our slime.
Should we do one more?
No.
I have the feeling we got this.
I had the feeling, let's just mix.
No. One more.
We've already made 5.
But this one's going to be just a clear basic slime. Alright.
3, 2. Wait, we started at 30. And we have 1 minute. Go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Clear basic slime.
Oh, my spoon. Just gonna use go YOLO. Use the hands. Use the hands with your mama. With your mama. Make slime with your mama. I've never made slime with my mom, seriously, guys. She's never made slime before. I don't think she ever will want to. Make slime with your mama, then go crazy dance. This is a bad slime, dude. It's gotten the blue paint in it, so it's totally fading. I need to wash it. Oh my gosh, my gosh, my gosh! My gosh, yeah, baby! A fluffy clear slime. That sounds like fun. We should do that really quick, because we still
No.
have at least 2 more.
Stop it!
We have enough time to do one more, Bubs.
I don't want to.
Yes, just do one more. For me.
I don't care.
Well, guys, in 3. No,
What are you even making?
we're just gonna do a clear, fluffy slime. Your turn, fluffy and clear.
So we have
Alright.
to use a little bit.
3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rock and roll. Wait, we're fluffy. Too much shaving gel. Use the bottom of it. I got slime here, homies. And this is actually really fluffy. Y'all, homies, this month, all the homies are for me. All the homies are for me. Alright, I'm clearly done with my slime. Gotta knead it a bit more. You gotta knead out your slime.